Well, how to exactly sound like a speaker of British English without actually living or moving to the UK. Now, in this context, I shall be talking about the standard British pronunciation accent, which is called as the received pronunciation, that is modern RP. Now, you don't need to have a passport and a plane ticket in order to fly thousands of miles to the United Kingdom in order to master this British accent. You can learn it from the comfort of your home whilst living in your home country. How? Let's talk about it today here in this video. Hi, my name is Mena Ghosh and I'm a non-native English speaker, meaning that English is not my first native language. I speak generally with a standard neutral sounding general American accent, but for the sake of today's video, I shall be trying to deliver my best British English accent. Alright, so as a disclaimer, I just want to let you know, as a caveat, that I'm not as good as speaking English using the British accent. So, if I make any mistakes, please don't judge me with my overall British accent. I highly recommend you that if you listen to the rules, the characteristics, the way as I describe about British accent, then this is going to be enough for you to understand the nuances of British English. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, as an Indian, I'm not a native Brit, first of all, so let me tell you how to begin with mastering your journey towards British English. Well, first of all, cut off or eliminate yourself from listening to contents in your target language, that is Bengali or Hindi, or whatever language you speak, mostly in free time or every time. So, put your phone's algorithm to UK English. Listen to contents in UK English. Listen to the patterns. Listen to how each and every word is pronounced in the British English accent. Listen to the rhythm. Listen to the patterns of intonation. Listen to the patterns of how each and every word is spoken, is pronounced, is articulated. For example, the word water, as in American English, is often pronounced as water, water, better, matter, metal, party, 40, 60. It's already evident in case of British English that the true T remains at its place, no matter whatever its position within a word is. Whereas in the case of American English, if the T is in between two vowels, it's always pronounced like a soft D, flap T, as like total, water, better, metal, party, 40, etc. So the American R is not going to be pronounced in the British accent. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to drop or absolutely eliminate the influence of the R when it is followed by a vowel, like water, water. As you can notice here very clearly that I'm not saying as water, water. I'm not pronouncing the R at the end. I'm reducing or minimizing the use of the R, the post-vocalic R. Water, better, matter, center, party, work, word, hard. Like, I'm going to give an example of a sentence here. Work less, earn more. Work less, earn more. What do you see or what do you notice here in this sentence? I'm saying as work less. I'm not saying as work less. I'm saying as work less. Earn more. Not earn more. Unlike as what tends to be for the American one. So, rule number 1, whenever the vowel is succeeded with the R, drop it. Next, British vowels are always shorter in comparison to elongated American vowels. Like, they are smaller in comparison to the American vowels, and they are rounded, and they are tighter in its formation of articulation. Reduce your vowels and provide some glides to the vowels, like I, ye, go, so, slow, etc. Also make sure that you learn some UK special common words often used as British slangs in the UK. Listen to the patterns of the sounds in British English. Try to listen to BBC News or British podcasts of famous British personalities. I recommend you to do this exercise every time as your way to communicating better and get the flow of speaking English like never before with the British accent. And someday, someone will probably ask you, wait, are you from the UK? Or have you ever lived in the UK? As usually, this could help you to attain a British accent. Well, so far, as you have understood the concept, as I've described everything, so I hope if you follow these guidelines, these rules, this will enable you to speak English like British. Thank you.